All right, so talking about Samoan food, one of my favorite dish out there, I would say it's um, I would say it would be baked taro with there's a thing called luau or palusami. It's the taro leaves with coconut milk, and I love it when it's fresh out of the umu or after they cooked it. Um, Samoan food is good. I mean, I feel like with Samoan people, they love meat. And I feel like that's where I get that habit from. It's like we love meat with bones. I don't know. I feel like everyone from the islands, they always want chicken with bones. And I remember when I went on my mission, whenever the families ask us what we want, I always suggest chicken with bones because I feel like bones, it brings, I don't know, it just tastes delicious, I guess. But some of the Samoan food that we have fauci. It can make out of flour or I mean I don't cook, so I'm like the wrong person to ask about food. Um, but we have pig. We love pig. Um, taro, banana. Yeah, like I said, we make a lot of meat. And I feel like they always have different ways of cooking those meats, especially chicken. Especially for my house, my mom will always have like a way of cooking chicken. I feel like the main dish for Samoan, we use a lot of coconut and one of my favorite fruits, because we have it in Samoa all the time, is papaya because it tastes good. And yeah, I think that's all I can talk about.